If you want to get a dynamic wallpaper on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down a little bit in order to find Personalization, and then in here look for AI Dynamic Wallpapers option. Now, of course, in this case, we need to use a Xiaomi account, so you can, for example, sign in with your Google account. This is the fastest way to do so. And after that, once we open this menu, you should be able to find some examples that, of course, you can immediately set as a wallpaper. So if I choose this one, for example, I can choose to set it for home screen and lock screen, and of course we can easily apply the wallpaper. And there we go. As you can see, it is an animated wallpaper over here. You can also press this plus button in the bottom right corner in order to choose your own photo that you want to convert into an animation. Alright, so in my case, I'm just gonna use this example picture that I just took, and let's see how it works. So first we need to wait for this next menu to appear. In this case, we need to grant access to the photo. Of course, we can still adjust the photo. We can move it left and right in order to slightly adjust it, and then once we are ready, we can press generate in order to find out what the AI can figure out with this photo. Of course, we can finish in the background if you don't want to wait. Sometimes it can take even a couple of minutes if the servers are really busy. So let me just quickly wait for the results. Alright, so apparently the animation has been created. And to be honest, I didn't see the preview for some reason, but let's just apply it for the lock screen and home screen. And there is a small animation. I think I can notice it. The car is slightly moving. So of course, the animation depends on the picture itself, and I guess the AI is trying to make the best out of it. But yeah, unfortunately, in my case, these results, and this result specifically, is not really that great. But in your case, you might be actually a little bit more lucky. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.